It's a story about a cat. He was very lonely and sad. One day he prayed.
Dear God, I humbly pray to you, please grant my deepest wish to become human.
Then he fell asleep. Some magic happened overnight, and he became a young boy. He got shocked to see himself.
What? Is that me? No way!
He got really happy and went outside to
Wow,
play.
it's sunny!
He really enjoyed his day and become very happy.
Wee, this is so fun! I'm gonna go play on that! Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe the channel so I can meet you again.